Muzata Brushed Metal Advanced is a popular modern cable railing system, with all stainless steel components in graceful natural color, giving a clean and elegant appearance that enhances the overall aesthetics of space. This system is equipped with brushed handrails and surface-mounted posts for 36 inches residential projects. And it's an ideal choice for perfectionists as the patent-designed cable railing kits are entirely hidden inside posts to create a neat look. With invisible cable railing kits and slim wire ropes, this metal advanced cable railing system offers an unobstructed view, so you can enjoy the great outdoors with family and friends. All parts are made from high-quality stainless steel, which is highly resistant to rainwater, rust and corrosion, as well as UV protection. With the related accessories and necessary tools, this system provides you with a complete cable railing solution, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use.
At Muzata, we also have professional design experts who can tailor the perfect design for your cable railing project. If you have any questions, the tech support team is always ready to help. As a leading home improvement brand, Muzata has been developing products for cable railing systems for over several decades. We offer a one-stop solution for home improvement, striving to make home renovation easier and better.
Muzata.